She came in Tuesday with a photograph, wanted the ending gone, just the beginning. I told her memory don't untangle clean. Her father's voice was woven in that leaving. She paid in cash and walked out lighter. I kept the rest in jars beneath the counter. I don't know which hands are mine anymore. Scar on my palm, was that from fall? Or did I buy it from a farmer's son? Can't recall my mother's face Sunday else. I can't recall my mother's face in mornings. The soldier sold me everything from overseas. 3 years of sand and blood and burning. He needed passage, wanted to start clean. I took it in, felt the weight of his burden. Gave him enough to buy a patch of land. Now his mother's gone, now I had to swim. Did I buy it from some miner's son? Can't recall my mother's face on the earth. The scar on my mother's face on the earth. Look through my own ledger. Last November, found gaps for childhood or how to be. No creek, no pine tree, no grandmother's kitchen. Just receipts and names I can't place. I must have sold them off when rent came due. Spliced myself to balance someone's grief. I don't know which voice is mine anymore. These words I'm speaking, are they borrowed? There's one last vial on the highest shelf. I could drink it down and be enough. Save what's left and call it mine. Save what's left and call it mine. Even if it's mostly someone else's.